is Sinika Waugh with your Clear Next Step. Have you marked your calendars for November 21st yet? Those of you who are in the project manager role or the project sponsor role, we're trying to bring people along in that domain. We have a full day training for you. It's got its PDUs, so you're able to earn your credits for it. When you come to this one-day training, we will teach you how to maximize the effectiveness of that relationship between the project manager and the project sponsor. You know, the Project Management Institute and many of their tools and references talks about how critical that relationship is between the project manager and the project sponsor. Well, so often we don't spend enough time really understanding how do you manage up, how do you influence up, how do you build that relationship in a way that makes the sponsor as excited to be a part of that project as the project manager is, or vice versa. We'll look at the project management life cycle and some of those moments where we need the project sponsor right there alongside us as project managers. Then we'll look at some sort of characteristic elements we might see in personality styles or communication preferences. Some of those attributes that we often see in project sponsors, those who are in senior management and executive levels, really understanding their bias for time. Ideas on this are based on real life examples, lots of experience, lots of research, and what we do is we bring it together so that in one day, identify some prototype, archetypal project sponsors you might be working with, how to work with them even better, and then how to have some of those tough conversations throughout the life cycle of the project. We'll simulate some things, we'll do some skill practice, and we'll just really have a non-threatening way to practice those critical conversations to really make that relationship between the project manager and the project sponsor absolutely effective from the very beginning to the very end. Won't you join us? We'll see you in November.